The 30-year fixed rate went to 3.75%, up from 2.625% last year the same time, a 43% increase. The VA 30-year fixed rate increased to 3.625%, up from 2.375%, a 53% increase. It's Friday, January 28th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. These mortgage rate increases weren't unexpected, so this should not be a surprise, especially if you've been following my blog and video post. Experts have been calling for rates to rise in their 2022 projections, and the forecast is now becoming a reality to bring us close to or even over 4%. That means that the mortgage rates are projected to continue climbing throughout the year. Higher mortgage rates combined with the higher property values from 2021 and projections of an additional appreciation value of 7.4% this year. According to this graphic, the buyers approved to purchase a home priced at $353,900 and a monthly payment of $1,360 per month now will have to be approved to purchase that same house at $376,904, and their monthly mortgage payment will now increase by $201 to $1,561 per month. The value impact is 13%. This value impact doesn't just impact buyers. It will impact sellers too. As rates increase, buyer demand may slow with the price appreciation slowing as well. Inventory shortages may contribute to appreciation value increase instead of creating a slide backwards with prices. However, both buyers and sellers will have to brace for changing market dynamics. So let's take a quick look at market activity since last week's report. 755 properties were listed this past week as coming soon. 927 homes came to the market, continuing upwards. 603 went under contract, 1,358 are temporarily off the market, 1,117 went to pending, 1,060 properties settled, selling in 11 days at a median sales price of $344,900. The highest sale over the past week was in Fairhaven Estates in South County's Tracy's Landing for $3 million, 11% less than their list price. In the rental market, there are 1,379 properties for lease at an average of $2,364 per month. Most rentals are going under application in just under 26 days. This reflects a consistent inventory at a higher price in lower days before leased. If you are contemplating making a move this year, get our 2022 home buyer or home selling guide free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on guides in the menu bar. And if you'd like to chat about your specific situation, reach out to me at 443-222-0857. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, January 28th, 2022. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay warm and safe out there.